The Emissions Gap Report 2025 was released by United Nations Environment Programme in November 2025. What is its key focus? Correct answer is option B. Which Indian state became the first to partner with Starlink for providing internet services? Correct answer is option B. The term MCC reforms appearing in recent Indian current affairs stands for. Correct answer is option A. According to recent data, India's defense production in financial year 2024 to 25 reached a record amount. What is the approximate figure? Correct answer is option B. In August 2025, India and Russia signed a protocol to deepen cooperation primarily in which area? Correct answer is option B. The Indian government's budget presented on 1st February 2025 included which of the following measures? Correct answer is option A. The term GS Paper 3, often used in Indian exam preparation current affairs, refers to topics like. Correct answer is option C. The National Biofoundry Network mentioned in a recent current affairs update is related to which area? Correct answer is option A. Which of the following statement is true about the EWS reservation as per a recent Supreme Court related update? Correct answer is option B. The India Semiconductor Mission has so far approved how many semiconductors plant and packaging testing facilities as of September 2025? Correct answer is option A. Which of the following portals is used for the widespread online registration of migrant workers in India? Correct answer is option A. The National Cooperative Policy 2025 is aimed at reforming which sector broadly in India? Correct answer is option B. The rewritten GDP base year for India was in the news in 2025. What is the significance of changing a GDP base year? Correct answer is option B. The exercise threshold mentioned in late October 2025 is best described as. Correct answer is option A. The facts of prelims in many current affairs updates refers to. Correct answer is option B. The protocol signed between India and Russia in August 2025 was under which session? Correct answer is option B. What is the 50% reservation ceiling referenced in recent legal developments in India? Correct answer is option A. The term regulating coal operations appeared in a report released on 26 August 2025. Which Indian tribunal authorities lens does the report use? Correct answer is option B. What is the importance of changing GDP base year for an economy like India's? Correct answer is option A. The National Cooperative Policy 2025 connects to which of the following facets? Correct answer is option A. In the budget 2025 to 26, the debt of the Indian government was cited as what percent of GDP? Correct answer is option B. What was the theme of the 8th International Solar Alliance ISA Assembly in 2025? Correct answer is option A. The release of the first export of fortified rice kernel in India was facilitated by which agency? Correct answer is option A. On 7th November 2025, which large-scale R&D scheme in India was launched with an outlay of about rupees 1 lakh crore? Correct answer is option B. Who launched India's National Research Foundation NRF in 2025? Correct answer is option B. Which Indian state launched the Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatra Yojana 2.0 in 2025? Correct answer is option A. Which Indian company celebrated its 50th Foundation Day in November 2025 by releasing a Rs 50 commemorated coin? Correct answer is option A. Who won the 13th edition of the ICC Women's World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B. Who is set to become the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C. Who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India? Correct answer is option A. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share with your friends and subscribe to Rosanna World GK for daily quizzes and GK updates. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye-bye.